Hello everyone, welcome to Device Manager. In this video, I am going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. You might have tried everything like hitting backspace button, delete button, and so on. Here I have a Word document. There is a blank page which I don't need anymore. Simply pressing backspace button on your keyboard doesn't work. The blank page still remains there. There is a simple method to solve this. What you need to do is bring the cursor on top of the blank page. Now hold Control key, then hit backspace on your keyboard. You see the blank page is gone now. Just try this method, it does work in most of the cases. If you have any queries, just ask in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.